been there before. I was looking it up on All Trails, so I don't know. I just needed someplace different. It's called Channing Philbrook Park or something. So yeah, I will take some pictures when I get there. So I have been here before. Last time I walked up that way on the trail. This time I'm gonna go this way. I've been here with I think I came here with Tara once, and we came this way. So I'm gonna go this way. And this is Irondequoit Creek. So come here, guys. Stay over here. Cool, huh? Nice little trail along the creek. I'm not going to let Pip off because I don't really know. There's a lot of cars here, so come on. Yeah, this is pretty. Look at this just wall of land. See how high it is? I guess there's some houses up there. Oh, it's just so pretty down here. Hold on, guys. Look at that house that's right on the water. How nice would that be to have a house right on this water? Hold on. I'll let you off. I don't see anybody around right yet. Okay, go. Pretty. I know. Well, it's pretty here. This is lovely. For crying out loud. Hold on, guys. So pretty. Looks like a playground over there. Something. Fort. I don't know. Something. I think it's a fort. Kids fort over there. Let's see if I can zoom in. Now it's starting to rain. And I'm not sure how much further this goes, but come here, guys. This way. So it came under this underpass, and there's lots of graffiti and stuff under here. At least under here we're not getting wet anyway. But yeah, it's raining pretty good now, so let's go. Okay, so I guess we'll head back because it's starting to rain now. And it's raining pretty good. No, hi there. We'll head back. What is that? Yeah, this is a lovely lot. And I can smell wood burning, like somebody's heating their home with the wood. It smells really good. Apparently this must be good fishing because I've seen like 4 fishermen so far. There's 2 fishermen. Shh. Quiet, quiet. Shh. Shh. They're fishing. Come on. Come on, Max. So the sun's back out, and I ended up, because that other side that I walked was only about a 1.25 miles, so I wanted to walk a little further, and I took the dogs over here on this side. And yeah, I saw like 5 or 6 fishermen, so I guess maybe it must be good fishing here. I don't know. Anyway, it's beautiful. It's a gorgeous day. Shh. It's hard to believe that we're going to have a big snowstorm tomorrow, but okay. I'll enjoy today for now because it's gorgeous. Feels like a spring day. Well, we reached the end. So, I guess we'll head back. It must be awesome to have a house like right there. We can hike down the creek. Come on, let's go. Come on. Well, that was a really nice walk. So I'm on my way back, but holy cow, it is freaking hot now. I don't know what the temperature is, but I had to peel off a few layers. It is really hot. Sun's out. So yeah, that was a nice walk along Irondequoit Creek. So yeah, another hike in the books. So next I'm going to go home and finish painting my bathroom. So I don't know, have a good rest of your day, guys, and hope you enjoyed the hike.